FIFA has set aside $440 million for the prize payouts for the 2022 World Cup. Teams finishing 32nd through 17th will receive $9 million apiece, while those who make it on to the round of 16 are guaranteed $13 million. Teams finishing 5th through 8th will receive $17 million each. Coming in 4th place will earn a team $25 million, while the 3rd place team will take home $27 million. The runner-up will earn $30 million, and the country that wins the 2022 World Cup will be awarded a whopping $42 million.